This video we will see the product review of boAt Nirvana 751 ANC Hybrid Wireless Headphones. The boAt Nirvana 751 ANC headphones are wireless over-ear headphones with hybrid active noise cancellation. These headphones are designed to offer an immersive listening experience by reducing the outside noise. And these headphones are ideal for music lovers who want to enjoy clear sound without any distractions. If you want to buy this headphone, then check the link in this video description. Now we will see key features of this headphone. First one is hybrid active noise cancellation. It is also called ANC. These headphones reduce background noise, allowing you to focus on your music or calls without any interruptions. The second one is high quality sound. This headphone delivers powerful bass and clear audio, making your music sound vibrant and dynamic. Third one is long battery life. You can enjoy up to 65 hours of playback without ANC and 54 hours of playback with ANC on. And if you charge for 10 minutes, then it gives you up to 10 hours of playtime. Fourth one is Bluetooth connectivity. These headphones connect wirelessly via Bluetooth and offering a stable connection and freedom from tangled wires. The design of the headphone is a comfortable design. The ear cups are cushioned, making them comfortable to wear for long periods. This design ensures that users can enjoy their music or podcast for extended sessions without any discomfort. Construction of the headphone is lightweight construction. Weighing only 260 grams, these headphones are lightweight and easy to carry. This makes them ideal for daily commutes or travel. The style of the headphone is over-ear style. The over-ear design provides a more immersive listening experience and helps in passive noise isolation, complementing the active noise cancellation feature. Now we will see what are the smart features this headphone supports. First one is voice assistant support. You can activate voice assistants like Google Assistant or Siri directly from the headphones, allowing for hand-free control and convenience. The second one is ambient mode. This feature let you hear the surrounding sounds without taking off the headphones. Useful for staying aware of your environment when needed. Third one is dual connectivity. You can connect the headphones to two devices simultaneously, like your phone and laptop, which enhance versatility and convenience. Now we will see the technical specifications. Driver size is 40 mm, which helps in delivering clear and rich sound. Bluetooth version is 5.0, which ensures a stable and efficient wireless connection. Battery life up to 65 hours without ANC, 54 hours with ANC on. Charging time about 1 hour for a full charge. Weight is 260 grams, which is lightweight and easy to carry. Battery performance. This headphone offers impressive battery life with up to 65 hours of playback time without ANC or 54 hours of playback time with ANC on. And if you charge for 10 minutes, it will give you up to 10 hours of playtime. And this headphone takes about 1 hour for full charge, which provides you with days of listening time. Sound quality. These headphones deliver strong bass, enhancing the depth and richness of your music. And these headphones provide clear audio across the frequency spectrum, which ensures that you can hear every detail in your music. The combination of good sound quality and noise cancellation creates an immersive listening experience, which allows you to fully enjoy your audio content. Noise cancellation technology. This headphone uses hybrid active noise cancellation technology to reduce the background noise. External and internal microphones detect the ambient noise. And these headphones generate inverse sound waves to cancel out the detected noise. The result is a quieter environment, allowing you to focus on music or calls without any interruption. Connectivity features. First one is Bluetooth 5.0. These headphones use Bluetooth version 5.0, which ensures a stable and efficient wireless connection with your devices. This technology provides improved range and faster data transfer compared to older Bluetooth versions. Second one is dual connectivity. One of the standout feature is the ability to connect the headphones to two devices simultaneously. This means you can easily switch between your phone and laptop without having to disconnect and reconnect each time. Third one is wireless freedom. The wireless design eliminates the hassle of tangled wires, giving you the freedom to move around while enjoying your audio. This is particularly useful during workouts or when multitasking. Comfort and ergonomics. First one is cushioned ear cuffs. The ear cuffs are cushioned, which provides comfortable fit even during long listening sessions. This design helps to reduce ear fatigue and pressure. The second one is lightweight design. Weighing only 260 grams, these headphones are lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods and easy to carry around. Third one is adjustable headband. The headband is adjustable to fit different head sizes, which ensures a secure and comfortable fit for various users. Fourth one is over-ear style. The over-ear design provides a more immersive listening experience and helps to distribute the pressure evenly around the ears. Now we will see the advantages of boAt Nirvana 751 ANC. First one is affordable ANC. Offers noise cancellation at a more budget-friendly price compared to premium brands, making ANC technology accessible to a wider audience. The second one is long battery life. Last a long time on a single charge, especially without ANC, providing up to 65 hours of playback. Third one is good sound quality. Delivers a strong bass and clear audio, ensuring an enjoyable listening experience across various music genres. The fourth one is comfortable for long wear, designed for extended use without discomfort, thanks to its cushioned ear cuffs and lightweight construction. In India, the price of this headphone is approximately 3,999 to 4,499. In United States, the price of this headphone is approximately $50 to $55. Now we will see customer positive feedback. First one is value for money. Users appreciate the good sound quality and noise cancellation at an affordable price. The second one is battery life. Customers love the long battery life, which allows for extended use without frequent charging. Third one is comfort. The lightweight and cushion design is priced for its comfort, even during long listening sessions. Fourth one is easy to use. Users find the headphone controls are intuitive and the dual connectivity feature is highly appreciated for switching between devices. Now we will see the conclusion. First one is great value. The boAt Nirvana 751 ANC headphones offer great value for money, providing decent noise cancellation, good sound quality, and long battery life at an affordable price. The next one is ideal for budget conscious. They are good options for those who want noise cancelling headphones without spending too much money. And this headphones making ANC technology accessible to wider audience. Next one is everyday use. While the ANC and build quality might not match with more expensive brands, the features and performance make them a solid choice for everyday use, whether for work, commuting, or leisure.